Hello, boss. Yeah, Michael. I have a problem.
Ja bih već bateri možete natrvo, već da ne.
Dara. Today everybody and their mama are basically going crazy. Everybody needs to fertilize because tomorrow it's supposed to rain, and you really can't know if it really will rain, but basically that's your only chance. These crops are not doing very good and we are going to take the risk. The reason I'm showing you first the work clips and then me talking is because today I really didn't have enough time to film everything in order. I'm going quickly about this because tomorrow it's supposed to rain and we're supposed to throw out the fertilizer we have right now and just wait for tomorrow and the rain to do its job. I don't know if the camera picks this up, but you can see the yellow spots all over the crop. That's not good. The plant is hungry, it's cold, it needs food to survive the cold, and we're trying to do this as quickly as possible, but we only can rely on rain really to reliably get the fertilizer into the ground. Now hear me out on this one. Today is Monday and tomorrow is Tuesday, and as you can see we're only going to be getting about 2.6 liters per square meter. That's nowhere near what we need to get the fertilizer on the ground, but I'm hoping that the rain for the next few days will help with that, so we can only pray and let nature do its thing. And now just a side note, this is one of the worst tractors you can drive. Easily one of the worst tractors you can own, but today I'm going to have to use it to fill the fertilizer spreader with some big bags. If you haven't already felt the chemistry between me and this tractor, we fucking hate each other. Those were the last big bags of this batch. Our guy went for more, and we're gonna be keep going all night. We are almost done with this field. We're gonna be moving to another one, but we're gonna be working on it really early in the morning, so I don't think I'll get a lot of footage, but I'll try anyway. We are pretty much done. This is the last test and we're going to be moving. We've arrived at the next field and we have only about 10 hectares left, so this is gonna be pretty easy and we're not gonna waste time here. This is the last big bag. We're pretty much gonna dump this into the fertilizer. We're gonna fertilize what's left and then we're long gone. We hope to be far away from this place as soon as possible. So we are pretty much done. I can't wait just to go home and have another episode of insomnia and sleeplessness. Okay, see you next time. You just wouldn't get the relief I'm feeling right now.